You want to work faster on your Mac using Raycast AI but don't know where to start. This tutorial walks you through the basics so you can set up and start using Raycast AI today. Step 1 would be installing Raycast. First, download Raycast from raycast.com and install it on your Mac. Once installed, launch it and set a global hotkey, usually Command plus space. This hotkey opens Raycast instantly anywhere. Step 2, accessing Raycast AI. Press your hotkey to open Raycast. You'll see a clean command bar. To use AI features, type AI, and you'll see options like AI Chat, Quick AI, or AI Commands. Select AI Chat to open the AI prompt window. Step 3. Using Quick AI. For faster AI prompts, try Quick AI. Just open Raycast, type GG, then your prompt. It's great for quick questions or short outputs. Step 4. Creating custom AI commands. One of Raycast's most powerful features is custom AI commands. To create one, open Raycast Preferences, go to Extensions, and find the AI Commands section. Click New Command. Here you can write your own prompt template. For example, summarize this email, then bind it to a shortcut or keyword. Step 5. Integrating with your workflow. Raycast isn't just AI. Use it to launch apps, open files, check your calendar, or manage your GitHub issues, all with the same command bar. Lastly, step 6, adjusting settings and AI models. In settings, you can switch between AI models like GPT-4, Claude, or Gemini. Choose the one that fits your needs for creativity, accuracy, or speed. Raycast AI brings powerful AI tools directly onto your Mac's launcher. By mastering AI Chat, Quick AI, and custom AI commands, you can reduce app switching, speed up writing, coding, and research, all without breaking your flow.